What's going on, guys? It's your boy Enzo660 back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be installing handguard kits for the 23 Yamaha Zuma 125 cc's. Right behind me here is the package they came with. It's a Yamaha genuine part, got it from Partzilla. I believe I spent $86. That's shipped as well. And of course, inside is the hardware and all the stuff you need for the installation. And little bonus tip, it came with instructions. So I will link the part down below in the description box. It is not an affiliate, so you know, if you do end up wanting to get it, it is going to be down there. Without further ado, let's get it. Alright, so on this project we would just need 3 tools: the 3mm and 4mm Allen head, and a Phillips head screw, preferably with a magnetic tip. It will make your life so much easier. And yeah. So for the first step, we need our 4mm Allen key, and we have 2 bolts we need to remove, one on top and one directly in the bottom. For the bottom screw, it's just right behind the turn signal assembly, as you can see right here. Take note, guys, that the 2 screws are completely different. The one on top is a longer one, and the one that goes to the bottom is the shorter one. Alright, now using our 3mm Allen key, we are going to remove our turn signal assembly. Now that we have the turn signal assembly out, we should be able to wiggle this OEM bracket out, just like so. So inside the box, this kit will include 2 brackets, one for the right and one for the left. Take note, the one with the shorter flange goes to the throttle side, and the one with the longest one goes on the left side of the bike. At this point, you will be reusing your bolts. Just remember that the longer one goes on top and the shorter one goes on the bottom. Take note that when you do remove your bolts, your housing will open up, and you'd probably want to hold this tight and make sure they're closed properly, and then you screw in the bolts. So now to mount your turn signals back in, you just line it up at the bottom of the bracket. There should be a hole there. You insert your screw and make sure it's tight. Alright, so in the instructions it's telling us to insert one of these spring nuts. And by insert, I don't mean by just pushing it inside like this. So what you actually have to do is clip it in there and slide her in, enough to cover that hole. And it's telling us to align it, and using one of their screws, which looks like this, to kind of lock that in place with the bracket on there. Once that is in, use your another screw, just like that one, but you also use their provided washers for the top. So in the end, you should have something that looks like this. On the opposite side, just the exact same procedure. Slide this in. You want this nipple to be inside, so if you're sliding it in, make sure you're looking at the flat side. Just like so. Get your screw ready. So back on the top, just your washer and your screw. The bottom of the nipple goes down and your screw on top goes right there. All right guys, so there we have it. We installed our brand new Zuma handguards. What do you guys think? Would you guys be installing one on your moped as well? I originally installed these because I was planning on riding during the winter time, and with these vents right here, I don't know how much cold air we're gonna be getting, so I don't know, I might be putting some electrical tape on there or some kind of duct tape to put on there, just so that the air won't go in. But they look pretty cool. I love them. Let me know what you guys think on the bottom, on the comment sections below, and subscribe and like if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Enzo660 out!